Welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. My name is Carrie Marquis and I'm an attorney at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today we're exploring the topic you've been curious about: what are the 2 advantages of divorce? Divorce is a life-altering event that often brings challenges, but it can also lead to significant advantages and opportunities for those going through it. Today we will delve into the 2 key advantages of divorce. The first notable advantage of divorce is the opportunity for personal growth. Ending a marriage can be a catalyst for self-discovery and a fresh start. It's a time to focus on your individual needs, desires, and personal development. To illustrate this advantage, let's consider a real-life scenario. Imagine a person who's been in a marriage for many years, often setting aside their personal goals and dreams for the sake of the relationship. When they decide to divorce, it becomes a turning point in their life. The divorce process allows individuals to rediscover their strengths, interests, and passions. It can be an opportunity to pursue hobbies, education, or career aspirations that may have been set aside during the marriage. The second advantage of the divorce is the chance to find a better match in terms of compatibility and happiness. Divorce can lead to the end of a relationship that was no longer fulfilling, creating space for new and healthier connections. In our scenario, the individual who embraced personal growth after divorce gradually finds a new partner who shares their values, interests, and life goals. This relationship is built on compatibility and a deeper understanding of what they want in a partner. While focusing on these advantages of divorce, it's important to address the legal aspects. Divorce involves property division, support issues, and potential child custody matters. Consulting with a family law attorney is essential to navigate these complexities. In conclusion, divorce can be a challenging process, but it can also lead to personal growth and the opportunity to find a better match in the future. Embracing these advantages can help individuals move forward with optimism and a fresh start. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Bryan Fagan is here to support you through the complexities of family law. If you have questions or need legal assistance related to divorce, personal growth, or any other family law matter, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more valuable information. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.